student, I want to give you some tasks. Please answer my question and send me a video. Number one, are you a student? Are you a student? Number two, where do you go to school? Where do you go to school? Number three, what class are you in? What class are you in? Number four, what time do you wake up in the morning? What time do you wake up in the morning? Number five, what time do you have breakfast in the morning? What time do you have breakfast in the morning? Number six, what time do you go to school? What time do you go to school? Number seven, how do you go to school? How do you go to school? Number 8. With whom do you go to school? With whom do you go to school? Number 9. What time do you arrive at school? What time do you arrive at school? Number 10. What time do you study at school? What time do you study at school? Number 11. Do you like study? Do you like study? Number 12. With whom do you study at school? With whom do you study at school? Number 13. What subject do you like best? What subject do you like best? Number 14. Do you go to school every day? Do you go to school every day? Number 15. Do you go to school on Saturday? Do you go to school on Sunday?